Salty and Smudgy and Fudgy.
Shut that down.
Watch what they do.
Where's those little piggies? One little piggy sitting by the box.
Hello?
He won't do it now, will he?
Because I've got the full stick.
Is that out of the hay bag?
Yeah.
Not the tarpaulin, Salty. One little piggy sitting by the box. Two little piggies.
Oh. So.
Oh. Whoop! Beep out. Beep out. Did you see that? You did it a few times to make sure it flopped right open. Do it again. See if he does it again. Leave it. Don't.
Just keep watching.